I like this one. This one makes sense.
And I've done 40k. I won't sell them last.
I don't past 3,500. Buy
this phone.
Yes.
35.
Even if you buy new thing today, you use them today, you won't sell like no sell like
3,500 per phone.
Organ and lockdown with you. No one say make a deal.
You know how much I buy the pouch?
How much you buy the
protector? You know how much I buy? You want buy phone 40,000, 35. Give me. I know they sell again. I prefer make on that. Give me. Sell phone 40,000, 35. I know they sell again. Are you my? I mean,
wait till again. You said you say waiting.
I bet me have small thing.
I no fear anything, of course. I no fear that. This phone, no this phone. That it.
Surely I'm born to win. Even if I fall, I'm gonna rise again. Do you want me on your rant and you ask yourself what you're waiting for? Oh, what you're waiting for? And some people around you will make your situation get worse. You are already gone if your daily problem is bigger than your daily bread. Then you look around and round, you won't see no one to come and wipe away your tears. Oh my kid, I won't go help me. Ile aye yi su me. Please come and help me. Oh, I just lost my head.
You think say they wise? You are a woman.